Welcome to Cyber World, where technology meets innovation. Join us as we explore the latest trends, uncover cutting-edge advancements, and dive deep into the world of cybersecurity. Get ready to embark on a journey through the digital landscape like never before. Let's dive in together.
What does the future hold when machines learn to think? Could they outsmart us, or will they become our indispensable allies? The journey of artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just a narrative of technology. It's a profound exploration of human ingenuity and ethical boundaries. The seeds of AI were planted in the fertile minds of the mid-20th century. Picture the year 1950. Alan Turing, often hailed as the father of theoretical computer science and artificial intelligence, proposes the Turing test, challenging the notion that machines can't exhibit intelligent behavior indistinguishable from that of a human. As the decades rolled on, the 60s and 70s brought forth the concept of machine learning. Researchers like Frank Rosenblatt made strides with the perceptron, an early neural network, which laid foundational ideas for machines that could learn from and adapt to new data. The 70s also saw the rise of expert systems, designed to mimic the decision-making abilities of a human expert. The development of systems like MySyn, an early medical diagnosis system, demonstrated how AI could support complex decision-making in specialized fields. The 80s introduced the world to the broader possibilities of neural networks, thanks to the backpropagation algorithm. This period marked a renaissance in AI, catalyzed by increasing computational power and improved algorithms. These networks laid the groundwork for future applications that would eventually perform tasks ranging from voice recognition to strategic game playing. As we entered the 90s, AI began to weave its way more intricately into both societal functions and everyday life. This era was marked by the development of algorithms that powered decision trees and support vector machines. These innovations weren't just academic. They started influencing sectors like finance and healthcare, optimizing processes and enhancing decision-making. The turn of the millennium heralded the age of big data, providing AI with the vast amounts of information needed to learn and evolve rapidly. The development of deep learning techniques during this period led to groundbreaking applications in image and speech recognition, fundamentally changing how machines understood and interacted with the world. Fast forward to the present day, and AI is ubiquitous, integrated seamlessly into our daily lives. From the virtual assistants in our smartphones to sophisticated diagnostic tools in healthcare, AI's capabilities are expanding exponentially. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The rise of AI has sparked intense debates on ethics, from concerns over privacy and surveillance to the biases embedded within AI algorithms. As we gaze into the horizon, the future of AI promises both wonders and challenges. Innovations like quantum computing could potentially supercharge AI capabilities, making today's complex problems tomorrow's manageable tasks. However, the ethical considerations remain ever complex. How do we ensure fairness in AI algorithms? What measures do we put in place to prevent unintended consequences? The evolution of AI is a testament to human curiosity and creativity. It's a journey that's as much about the algorithms and systems we build as it is about the reflection of our societal values and the future we aspire to create. As AI continues to grow, its impact on our world will be as diverse as it is profound, shaping everything from the way we work to the way we connect with each other. The story of AI is still being written, and its next chapters are likely to be as compelling as any that have